He makes $19,000 every single month on TikTok without showing his face and without recording his own voice, and you can do the same with a single click of a button using AI, and the hack to viral the video very fast and also secret monetization method to double your earnings. This video is going to be life-changing, and I am sure that if you watch the whole video then you can feel it. As you can see, this TikTok account, but for example, as you can see, it has more than 130,000 followers on his TikTok account. And if you look at the videos he uploaded are very simple to create, and each of his videos are getting hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. And in his bio he has a link, and if you click on it then it will take you to this page. As you can see, it has many links on this page, so let me click on the first one. Now it is opening a new page and now it is visible. As you can see, this is an affiliate product that he is promoting. Whenever someone purchases this product, he receives a commission for each sale. And don't worry friends, I will teach you everything that will earn you thousands of dollars from this product pays him around 50% commission on each sale, which means $13 because its price is $27, and he has 138,000 followers, and even if 1% out of them purchase the product, then he is making $18,000 every single month from this single product. But I will show you a more advanced way to do better than this account to earn more money, so don't skip any second of this video, and if you skip then you will miss the very important point. Because each step is very important to execute it correctly. You may be thinking about how we can create these types of videos, as we don't have any idea about content creation or video editing skills, and the main thing is that we don't want to add my own voiceover in the video. And if you are thinking about these things, then don't worry friends, as I have promised that you don't have to do any of these works. All the works will be done the AI tools, and I will show you how you can use them, create the videos and make a lot of money from them as a complete beginner. So this is the overview of this video. Firstly, we will create TikTok video using AI in a few minutes, then you will learn my secret hack to viral the TikTok video very fast for free, and then monetize it with affiliate marketing, and finally some bonus way to make more money from TikTok. So let's start with the first step. Before going deeper, I want to show you the biggest mistake that 90% people make is niche targeting. If you target the whole health niche, then it will be difficult to make money fast. And if you look at the big companies like McDonald's and Domino's, then you will find that they are only targeting specific food. McDonald's is famous for burger and Domino's for pizza, although they can produce so many foods, but they only target specific food. And small restaurants in our neighborhood have hundreds of food dishes, but they are not making billions of dollars like them, and it is just because of the lack of marketing techniques. So I will teach you how you can make a lot of money online, and trust me guys, it is possible, because I also struggled during my online journey, and finally when I decided to target a specific niche or audience and utilized my earning tricks, then I started making thousands of dollars every single month. So instead of targeting whole health niche, we will target a specific niche under health niche, and for this all you have to do is come over to ChatGPT and then write a prompt like this. It will show you all the sub-niches. So for example, I want to start my faceless TikTok automation on weight loss niche. You can select any of them. For the fact weight loss niche is very popular and the earning potential in this niche is very high, and I will show you how this single niche will earn you thousands of dollars every single day. So watch every step very carefully to avoid mistakes. Now it's time to create video using AI, and to do this come over to YouTube, and then search for the viral videos on the weight loss niche or any niche you have selected. As you can see, there are so many videos there, and they are getting hundreds of thousands of views on each video. And don't worry guys, we are not going to create these types of videos. I am just doing this to find the video ideas, and for example let me select this one, and what you have to do is copy the URL of this video. Now come over to YouTubetranscript.com and then paste the link here, and it will give you all the scripts of this video in less than 10 seconds. Copy the whole script and let's move to the next step. As we know that we are going to make money online on TikTok, so we need a video for it, and to get it we need a script first. And for this come over to ChatGPT and then write a prompt like this. I will give you this prompt in the description box and comment box of this video. Now paste the whole script we have copied. It will write a very professional TikTok video script from that large video, so you can save your time as you don't need to write the script for hours. But it's not enough. Now I am going to show you my secret hack that I personally use on my script to viral the video and make thousands of dollars from them. So all you have to do is copy the script and paste it on any document, and then here is the hack. On the last line of the script you have to write like "DM me this video to get the ultimate guide to lose weight fast," where you can also write comment "I want to lose weight fast," or anything you can write according to the video. And whenever someone DMs you or comments, then the engagements on our video will increase, and TikTok's algorithm will recommend our videos to more and more people, and finally our video will be viral fast. Because the more people engage on your video, the more TikTok recommends it to other people. Never tell them to follow or like the video, you just follow this hack and then see the result. And if you look at the videos of popular TikTok accounts, they always tell people to DM them or comment because they know the hack. Plus you can make a lot of money from the messages or comments you received. And how? I will show you later in this video, so stay with me all the way to the end and don't miss any step, otherwise it will not work. Next, come over to this website called invideo.io and sign up for free and then log into your account. Once you do that, it will open this screen. Now click on this Explore All button and then select TikTok video. And here on this box paste the script. The best thing about this AI tool is that it will rewrite the script similar to our script and then generate the full video including voiceover, subtitle, background music and video footage. We just have to give it instruction, and to do this select the voice gender male or female, the voice type I want clear American voice, and for subtitles I want this one. You can select any of them according to your choice. Now click on this button and then it will create the full TikTok video for you in less than 2 minutes. And let me show you 5 seconds of this video because it is long.
Looking to slim down without the gimmicks? Here's my 6-step guide to natural, sustainable weight loss. First up, let's toss out the whole on and off the...
This video is much better than the TikTok account I showed you in the beginning. As we have created the video, now it's time to make money from the video, and for this come over to this website called NutriProfit. So sign up using the link in the description box, and when you log in then you will find a bunch of products on health niches. You can see it will pay you anyway from 30 to 40% commission on each sale. For example, this product on weight loss niche will pay you $29 for each sale. And if you make 100 sales monthly then you will receive $2,900 easily, and it is of course possible with this method because I also make a lot of money from this same method, and if you follow all the steps correctly and constantly, then I can give you guarantee that you will earn thousands of dollars monthly as a complete beginner. So click on this detail option here. You can read about the product if you want. This is our affiliate link of this product. Now copy it and save it somewhere. Next step is to create the page where we will add 4 to 5 products. As we have seen, the TikTok account we saw has only 2 products, but we have a wide variety of products available, which is the bonus point. To create a page you can use Linktree. Just sign up for free and then add your affiliate product link, title, and you can also change the theme color of your page, so add 4 to 5 products using the same process. And finally our page is going to look like this one. It is very professional and attractive than him. We will going to use this link of this page in our bio and some other places to promote affiliate products. As you have reached this part of this video, so I am going to show you the bonus and most powerful way to make more money from this method. So as I told you about DM and comments, now I will show you how you can make money from that. All you have to do is come over to ChatGPT and type a prompt like "guide me to lose weight fast without exercise" or anything like that according to the video. Then copy the generated guide texts and reply to all of them who have sent you a message, and put your Linktree link on it and tell them to visit there to find weight loss supplements. Whenever they click on it and purchase the product, you will receive your commission. If you follow all the steps I have told you, then you can make a lot of money as a complete beginner without any follower on TikTok, and soon your videos will get viral and you will receive thousands of followers easily.